One of the most powerful features in SAP 2000 is the ability to easily constrain the edges of area objects so that you need not create a transition mesh. Here we have a single wall modeled with a mesh of 3x6 area objects on the left and a mesh of 3x7 area objects on the right. There is no continuity of the two meshes except at the bottom node. This type of mesh would traditionally cause poor results. We will load the wall with a single horizontal load of 10 kips. We will also turn on the fill object option so that we may better see the wall behavior. We are now ready to run the analysis. Once the analysis is complete, we see that the two halves of the wall are moving independently and not as a single wall. The stress diagram is also not what we would expect for a single wall. However, with SAP 2000, it is a simple process to correct this model so that it will behave as a single wall. First, we unlock the model so that we may edit it. Next, we turn off the Fill Objects option so that we may see the individual area objects better. Next, select all the area objects along one side of the line where the mesh changes, and go to the Assign Area Generate Edge Constraints option, and select Create Constraints around object edges. This will force the area objects to work as though the mesh was contiguous. Again, turn the object fill back on and rerun the analysis. Now we see that the two halves of the wall move together and that there is no separation between the two meshes. We will also show that the stresses are more appropriate for a single wall. Thus, by using the Edge Constraints option, we can easily tie two dissimilar area object meshes together so that no gaps will occur. This concludes this tutorial.